What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you what's better, Promox or Docker. So you might be deciding between these two platforms. Well, there are a few things that you may need to learn and you need to basically consider here. So first, let's go and start with Promox. Now, think of Promox as a full-fledged virtualization platform. It's open source and gives you the ability to create and manage virtual machines, or VMs in short, and containers on a physical server. So if you have one powerful machine and want to split it up into several isolated systems, each running its own OS and setup, well, Promox is perfect for that. It's especially great if you're working in an environment where you need to run multiple full operating systems, whether for labs, development, enterprise testing, or even self-hosted services. You also get a clean web interface that makes managing all those VMs and containers easier, even if you're not a hardcore command line user. Now, let's go and move on into Docker. Now, Docker is, on the other hand, doesn't virtualize entire operating system. Instead, it focuses on containers, which are much lighter and faster. With Docker, you can package an application along with everything it needs to run into a single container. This means you can move it between environments, so development, staging, and production, and know it'll work for the same everywhere. Now, it's incredibly popular with developers because it makes development much faster and more consistent. So if you just need to run apps, maybe a few microservices or a database or a web server, etc. here, you don't want the overhead of running full VMs, then Docker is the go-to tool here. Now, you might be asking a question here, which one is better? So that actually really depends on what you're trying to do. Now, if you're looking to host multiple systems and maybe even like different operating systems and you need flexibility for full system environments, well, Promox is your best bet. It gives you both VMs and containers, so it's more versatile when it comes to infrastructure management. But if you're a developer and you focus on shipping apps quickly, keeping things lightweight, and scaling services efficiently, Docker is far better suited. It's faster, simpler, and much more tailored to modern app development workflows. So in short, use Promox when you want to manage full system environments. Now use Docker when you want to build and test and develop apps quickly inside isolated containers. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.